everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And right now I will be reacting to the official trailer of Godzilla vs. Kong. Oh my god, this is... I actually didn't know that a movie like this was in the works by Warner Brothers. This is such a surprise for me because of course I have not been keeping tabs what Warner Brothers is doing. So Godzilla vs. Kong, my expectation, well, action and more action. That is what I expect from the movie as well as from the trailer. So yes, there is going to be so much destruction. I can't even imagine the amount of destruction that is going to be shown in this film. So yes, without delaying this any further, it's quite a long trailer, 2.5 minutes. So yeah, let's react to it. Wow. Alright. Destruction, as I said.
It's our only chance. We have to take it.
Oh my god. Oh man.
We need Kong. The world needs him to stop what's coming. And this child, she's the only one he'll communicate with.
I knew that they had a bond. She had nowhere to go, so I made a promise to protect her. And I think that in some way, Kong did the same.
CGI looks great. Oh my god, yes!
It's Godzilla.
Woo! I'm in.
These are dangerous times.
Godzilla's out there and he's hurting people and we don't know why.
There's something provoking him that we're not seeing here.
I'm of the same opinion.
The myths are real. There was a war. And they're the last ones
Okay.
standing.
I keep reaching for greatness because I'm built from it.
Who bows to who?
Nobody gon' stop for me. Here we go.
Kong bows to no one.
Oh man. That reminded me of Thor. Oh. This was insane, guys. This was insane. There was so much going on here. There was so much going on. I don't know where to start. Guys. The theater experience, the IMAX experience. This is an IMAX. I'm gonna watch this on IMAX. The experience is gonna be unbelievable. Godzilla versus King Kong. I don't know what to say. I am so happy to see this trailer. I know it's gonna be that. That's the first thing I said. I want it to be fully action-packed and full of destruction. That's what I'm getting. And yeah, they gave out a lot in the trailer. That's okay. The one gripe which I had, that they gave out a lot in the trailer. Like, there was a war, so of course these two species had a war and they are the last one standing. They just gave that out. Why did you give that out? Shouldn't have given that out. We should have known the context why like something is provoking Godzilla. Why did you give that out? That should have been kept a secret. Oh my god. This is amazing. Guys, this was great. I loved it. Cannot wait for the release of this movie. Oh my god, this is gonna be first day, first show. First day, first show for me. 100%, and in IMAX. I'm sure most of us loved it because of course the trailer has. How are you disliking this trailer? This is legendary. Okay, another thing. Oh, in theaters. Oh wait, let me see. In theaters and exclusively streaming on HBO Max, March 26th. HBO Max in US only. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not gonna watch this on TV. This is gonna be watched on the theaters. This is inside the theater experience. The CGI looks amazing. The visual effects look amazing. It didn't look unrealistic at all. And the last scene when King Kong is, hitting Godzilla completely reminded me of Thor. I'm just saying. Don't get offended, DC people, Warner Brother people, because I know DC is from Warner Brothers. So, yeah. Anything can become a controversy. Anything people say becomes a controversy nowadays. So yes, I loved it. This was fantastic, fabulous, fun, superb, awesome. All the great adjectives that I can think of. Just fabulous. And yes, that was my reaction for Godzilla vs. Kong official trailer. Do share in your thoughts about this trailer. What did you think? Are you gonna watch it? Not watch it, of course, because a lot of people might not like such movies also. But I love such movies. I love such action-packed movies a lot. And yes, I cannot wait for the release of this film. So yeah guys, that was the reaction for today. I hope you've come till the end of the video, and I will see you on my next video guys. Bye bye.